two more excellent nursing resources are CINAHL and MEDLINE. So to get to those, from the home page of our library research guide for this class, click on the Finding Articles tab, which is the second one, and then scroll down to the second box in the middle. And I apologize, this page is very long, but I wanted to provide detailed instructions for you all that would be helpful in conducting searches for this class. So you'll see the link here for CINAHL at the top of the second box. If you are off campus, you will see the Miami login screen. Once you put in your Miami unique ID and password, you will have the exact same access as if you were sitting at a computer in the library. So you'll be able to do research 24/7 from anywhere as long as you have internet. So this is the main search screen, and you'll notice at the top above the search boxes it tells us we're searching CINAHL, and right beside that is a link that says Choose Databases. Go ahead and click that link, and it shows you a list of resources that we have access to through this particular company. And these are listed in alphabetical order. So the other one from this company that is going to be helpful for this class and this assignment is MEDLINE with full text. So click the box next to that, and then you can scroll to the top or to the bottom and click OK, and that will take you back to the main search screen. Now, doing this one little step that just takes a few seconds will save you a lot of time and effort in the long run of your research, because what this is now going to do is search both of those resources at one time and put results in one results list. So this keeps you from having to write down keywords that you used and the most effective PICO terms and duplicating those searches in multiple places. You do it one time, you get results from both places in one spot. So now you can type in your PICO search terms, and just for sake of demonstration, I'm going to use an example from another resource from Cochrane Library. Then you can click, or before you click search, scroll down, and you'll see the options, lots of options. So in this first box that just says limit your results, this is where you can limit by year of publication. So you need 5 years worth. So you can go ahead and put those in the box. I believe you also have to do January 2015 and December 2020 to get the full spread. At this point, you may, if you want, start adding in other limitations as well. So if you have a preference, or if your PICO specifies male or female, you can select that here. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see a box that says Special Limiters for CINAHL. In this box, you want to make sure you check underneath Evidence-Based Practice. And again, you'll see other options here: age groups, publication type, special interests, geographic subset. So if any of this is applicable to your PICO and you would like to add those in now, you may do so. It's not necessary though. And then scrolling down a little further, you'll see the box that's Special Limiters for MEDLINE. So in this box, you need to check EBM reviews, evidence-based medicine. And then again, you'll see an age box, publication type, those types of limiters. Now you can click search. You can use this one that's here at the bottom, and it will take into account everything you've added on this page. And then you'll see your results list. If you didn't add in a date limitation before, you can do so from this screen. You'll see here a publication date slide rule, and you can either add in the dates here or slide the ruler to get the appropriate dates that you would like to select. For each item, you'll see the title of the article, the publication information, which is author, journal, page numbers, things like that. You'll also see a subjects area. This is to give you the main idea, big picture, what the article talks about. It's not an all-inclusive list of things mentioned in the article, but again, it just gives you a big picture of what the article is going to discuss. And then you'll see options to access the item. So if you have the option, sometimes you will and sometimes you won't, PDF is the way to go. So click on whichever link says full text that you have options for. That will take you to the full text of the article. And then you'll notice at the top you can download it to save it to your computer or flash drive. You'll see the option to print it out. Over on the right hand side, you have the option that looks like the envelope. If you click that, you can email it to yourself. I would recommend over on the right hand side clicking citation format and then select APA. And what this will do is it will send the citation information already formatted in APA style in the body of your email, and then the article will come as an attachment to that email. Going down a little bit further on the right hand side in this list of icons is one that looks like a yellow piece of paper. Clicking on that shows you the citation information for this specific article in all of the style guides. So you'll want to scroll down to APA, and then you can highlight and copy and paste this into your document. You will want to double check before you turn your assignment in to make sure everything is accurate, make sure all the punctuation's there, everything's italicized, that you have the hanging indent. And there are resources listed on our library research guide for this class that will help with APA formatting, and will show you examples of citations so you'll know what your citation should look like. If you have any questions at all or need any help with the research for the assignments for this class, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm happy to help however I can.